All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in. Tharoor stumps Congress again. Once again, he has praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Tharoor has mentioned Prime Minister's address. Recalling the highlights from the Prime Minister's recent address, Shashi Tharoor said he was glad to be in the audience and described the PM's speech as a call to action. Well, not the first time that Shashi Tharoor has praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whether it was Operation Sindoor. During the diplomatic outreach, we saw Shashi Tharoor praising and lauding policies of the Modi government, and that clearly hasn't gone down well with the Congress party. Every time Shashi Tharoor is seen praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi or his decisions, he has received backlash from the Congress party. Let's go across to my colleagues Hina and Niyamika joining us. First to Hina to get more details on what exactly Shashi Tharoor has said while praising the Prime Minister. Yes.
Well, we have seen once again PDA from Shashi Tharoor, Congress Member of Parliament, towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is actually public display of admiration by Dr. Shashi Tharoor towards the Prime Minister. In fact, he has put out a long post as well. And here I'm just going to read out from the post of Dr. Shashi Tharoor. He says, Prime Minister spoke of India's constructive impatience for development and strongly pushed for a post-colonial mindset. He said that the Prime Minister emphasized that India is no longer just an emerging market, but an emerging model for the world, noting its economic resilience. Prime Minister Modi said he's been accused of being in election mode all the time, but he was really in emotional mode to redress the problems of the people. And then towards the end, he says, on the whole, the Prime Minister's address served as both economic outlook and a cultural call to action, urging the nation to be restless for progress. He also is, in fact, saying that he is happy to have been in the audience despite battling a bad cold and cough. And there you can see he's put some pictures as well of the Prime Minister from this particular event where he was speaking. So this is, yet another instance of public display of admiration that has come from Dr. Shashi Tharoor towards the Prime Minister. We'll have to wait and see how other Congress leaders are going to react to this, whether once again they will say that this is his personal opinion and not something that the party really stands for.
All right, Hina, thank you for getting us the details. Let me go across to Niyamika. Will the party once again try and distance itself from Shashi Tharoor remains to be seen?
Well, yes, indeed, Swati. As today there is a high-level meeting which has taken place at Indira Bhavan, where from the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge to the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, were also being present, in which many of the state leaders where the SIR is going to be conducted, all of these leaders were being present, and in fact Shashi Tharoor was also being invited, but he chose to skip this particular meeting. This raises a lot of questions because yesterday evening only he had attended the program where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed the gathering and in fact also made a tweet in which he had praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision, his speech which he had given last evening only, in which he has mentioned that how Prime Minister had spoken about India's growth, not just in terms of economy, but how it is also emerging as a model for the entire world. All of these points are also being mentioned by Shashi Tharoor in that particular post which he had put on social media. In fact, he has also praised that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also stated that he is being criticized by many of the political parties for being busy in the election mode, but in fact he is actually in an emotional mode because he is working for the welfare of the country. That particular point is also being highlighted by Shashi Tharoor in that particular post. That clearly shows that how he is once again giving a hint to the party high command itself by choosing not to be present here in this particular meeting, but he had gone yesterday.
Well, remains to be seen whether there'll be backlash, whether there'll be distancing, whether there'll be more sidelining of Shashi Tharoor post this comment. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for getting us the details. Moving on, we have some breaking inputs on the broadcast.